Today I get a message from someone who says one of the bad side effects of Ozempic, which I have seen, is that it causes significant hair loss and that the hair does not grow back. I got interested in this, and so I did some digging and saw these papers. So if I click over and I look at this paper here, this is GLP-1 agonists and hair loss, a call for further investigation. Here's what they say in this paper, which came out in 2024. The widespread adoption of glucagon-like peptides, GLP-1 agonists, in treating type 2 diabetes and obesity has sparked investigations into their impact on hair health. Some have proposed potential risks, such as disrupted hair growth cycles or premature androgenic alopecia, while others suggest benefits linked to improved insulin sensitivity and enhanced scalp blood circulation. However, despite these theoretical underpinnings, clinical evidence linking GLP-1 agonists to hair loss remains sparse. That's 2024. Let's switch gears and take a look at this paper, which also came out in 2024, dermatologic findings associated with semaglutide use, a scoping review. Again, so this is a review of 22 different articles, 15 clinical trials, and 6 case reports, and 1 retrospective cohort. In this paper, they state that 6.9% of people taking 50 milligrams of Ozempic experienced alopecia, while 0.2% of those got alopecia who were taking Ozempic subcutaneously through an injection. So this paper appears to give some evidence that at least some people are experiencing hair loss with Ozempic. My question for you is, has it happened to you or anyone you know who has taken Ozempic? And also, did the hair grow back eventually after people had stopped taking it?